Pero tangina, stalker natin. Who is it? Please open the door. I need your help. What do you want? I need your help. Please open the door. Do nothing. I think we should get ready. I know you're in there. Wait lang. Wait lang, tol. Buksan mo yan. Wait lang, kumakatok siya. Please leave alone. Please go where I'm going to call the cop. I just need to talk to you, sir. I'm not a cop. I know you're not a cop. Oh, lakad!